Hi guys, I have got 500 daily use English sentences, and by the end of this lesson you will know exactly how good your English really is. Do you think you can score 150 out of 150? Let's find out. So here is how this lesson is going to work. So I have divided this lesson into 6 different parts, and every part you will practice basic, intermediate and advanced level English sentences. Your job is simple. Listen carefully, repeat every sentence aloud and try to understand how it's used in real life conversations. And after each part you will get a short English level challenge. You will calculate your score and see how much you have learned. So don't worry if you don't understand every sentence the first time. This lesson isn't about being perfect. It's about improving your English step by step. And remember, this is part 1 of our 500 daily use English sentences series. And we will continue with the remaining sentence in the upcoming lessons. So don't just watch this lesson, speak every sentence with me, because English isn't learned by watching, it's learned by speaking. Now, let's begin with part 1, and we will begin with the beginner level. In this level, you will practice 7 simple English sentences that native speakers use every single day. These are the sentences you will hear in everyday conversations, and you can start using them from today. So your job is simple: listen carefully, repeat every sentence aloud and try to copy my pronunciation. Don't worry if you make mistakes. And remember, don't forget to count your score after every part, because by the end of this lesson, you will discover your English level, and the goal isn't to be perfect. The goal is to speak. Are you guys ready? So let's begin with sentence number 1. So the sentence number 1, you just listen to me very carefully. Can you help me? Now repeat after me. Can you help me? Now listen to a real conversation. Excuse me, can you help me? One more time. Excuse me, can you help me? Excellent. Excellent. Now sentence number 2. Listen carefully. I don't understand. Repeat after me. I don't understand. Now let's see the real conversation, how we can use it. Sorry, I don't understand. Repeat. Sorry, I don't understand. Now sentence number 3. Listen carefully. Please say that again. Repeat after me, guys. Please say that again. Now let's see how we can use in the real conversation. Sorry, please say that again. Repeat. Sorry, please say that again. 4. Sentence number 4, you have to listen to it very carefully. Could you speak more slowly? Repeat after me. Could you speak more slowly? Let's see how we can use this in a real conversation. Excuse me, could you speak more slowly? Repeat. Excuse me, could you speak more slowly? Excellent. Excellent. Now sentence number 5. Listen carefully. What does this mean? Repeat after me. What does this mean? Now here is a real conversation. Excuse me, what does this mean? Excuse me, what does this mean? Doing great, guys. Now here is the sentence number 6. I'm learning English. Repeat after me. I'm learning English. Now let's see in a real conversation. Please speak slowly. I'm learning English. Repeat. Please speak slowly. I'm learning English. Fantastic. Now sentence number 7. Can you repeat that? Repeat after me, guys. Can you repeat that? Now let's see how we can use this in a real conversation. Sorry, can you repeat that? Repeat, guys. Sorry, can you repeat that? Awesome. You have completed the beginner level. If you could understand and repeat these sentences, you are making great progress. Now let's level up. The next 7 sentences are a little longer and more natural. Don't worry if they feel a bit challenging. Okay? Just listen, repeat, and keep speaking with me. Are you ready? Let's begin the intermediate level. These sentences are a little longer, but don't worry. Could you tell me where the station is? Repeat after me. Could you tell me where the station is? Now let's see how we can use in a real conversation. Excuse me, could you tell me where the station is? Repeat after me, guys. Excuse me, could you tell me where the station is? I think I have seen you before. Repeat. I think I have seen you before. Now here is a real conversation. Hi, I think I have seen you before. Now sentence number 10. Listen carefully, okay? Would you mind helping me? You should pause this video and repeat, okay? Would you mind helping me? Now, let's see how we can use in real conversation. Would you mind helping me with this bag? Would you mind helping me with this bag? Sentence 11. Listen carefully. I'm not sure I understood you. Repeat. I'm not sure I understood you. Now, real conversation. Sorry, I'm not sure I understood you. Repeat after me. Sorry, I'm not sure I understood you. Now, sentence number 12. Listen to me carefully, okay? Let me explain. Repeat after me. Let me explain. Real conversation. Let me explain what I mean. That's exactly what I was thinking. Repeat after me. That's exactly what I was thinking. Now, real conversation. Yes, that's exactly what I was thinking. Repeat after me. Yes, that's exactly what I was thinking. Now, sentence 14. I didn't expect that. Repeat. I didn't expect that. Now, real conversation. Wow, I didn't expect that. Fantastic. You have completed the intermediate level. Now it's time for the advanced level. And in this level, you will practice again 7 advanced English sentences. Don't worry if they seem difficult at first. Okay, just listen, repeat, and do your best. Sentence number 15. I completely agree with you. After me, I completely agree with you. Now here is a real conversation. You are absolutely right. I completely agree with you. Repeat after me. You are absolutely right. I completely agree with you. Now sentence 16. It depends on the situation. It depends on the situation. Now here is a real conversation. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. It depends on the situation. Repeat. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. It depends on the situation. Sentence 17. That's not what I meant. Real conversation. Sorry, that's not what I meant. Sentence 18. Listen carefully. I really appreciate your help. Repeat after me. I really appreciate your help. Now, real conversation. Thank you. I really appreciate your help. Repeat after me. Thank you. I really appreciate your help. 19. I'll think about it. Repeat after me. I'll think about it. In real conversation, that's a good idea. I'll think about it. Sentence 20. Could you give me an example? Repeat after me. Could you give me an example? Now, real conversation. I'm not sure I understand. Could you give me an example? Now, sentence number 21. I'll let you know. Repeat after me. I'll let you know. Now, in real conversation, I'm busy right now. I'll let you know tomorrow. Yes, congratulations guys, you have completed part 1 and now let's see how well you did. How many sentences could you understand and repeat confidently? Beginner 7, intermediate 7 and advanced 7. Yes, now add your score. Your total 21 sentences. Your English level 0 to 7 beginner, 8 to 14 intermediate and 15 to 21 advanced. Write your score in the comment. I would love to know how you did. It's called survival English. So before we move on, count your part 1 score and see how well you did. And now let's move to part 2, that is home conversation. In this part, you will practice the English sentences you use every day with your parents, brothers, sisters, children, other family members. And we will begin with the beginner level, then move to the intermediate level, and finally the advanced level, just like before. Okay? So listen carefully, repeat every sentences aloud, and don't forget to count your score after each level. Are you ready? Let's begin. Sentence number 22. Dinner is ready. Repeat after me. Dinner is ready. Everyone, dinner is ready. Repeat after me. Everyone, dinner is ready. Next. Please close the door. Repeat after me. Please close the door. Now next. Could you give me a hand? After me. Could you give me a hand? Now listen to a real conversation. Could you give me a hand with these bags? Repeat after me, guys. Could you give me a hand with these bags? Excellent. Now, next sentence. I'm almost ready. Repeat after me. I'm almost ready. Now, real conversation. Wait for me. I'm almost ready. Sentence. Please wait for me. Repeat after me. Please wait for me. Real conversation. I'm coming. Please wait for me. Repeat after me. I'm coming. Please wait for me. Next sentence. What are you doing? Repeat after me. What are you doing? Now here is a real conversation. Hey, what are you doing? Repeat after me. Hey, what are you doing? Next. I'm busy right now. Repeat after me. I'm busy right now. Here is a real conversation. I'll talk to you later. I'm busy right now. Repeat after me, guys. I'll talk to you later. I'm busy right now. Now here is the intermediate level and the sentence. Could you set the table, please? I'll do it in a minute. Don't worry, I'll do it in a minute. Next, could you please clean your room? Before dinner, can you please clean your room? Next, did you finish your homework? Did you finish your homework before watching TV? Next, I'll take care of it. Don't worry, I'll take care of it. Next, could you pass me the salt? Next, don't forget to lock the door before you leave. Now here is the advanced level. Sentence is, leave it to me. Don't worry, leave it to me. Next, I'll be right back. Wait here, I'll be right back. Next, make yourself at home. Real conversation, welcome, make yourself at home. Next, it's your turn. I have done my part, it's your turn now. Next, I tied up right now. Can we talk later? I'm tied up right now. That sounds like a plan. Next, I'll keep that in mind. In real conversation, you can say, thanks for the advice, I'll keep that in mind. Now, here is a part 2, okay, that you have completed already. That is home conversation. Now, count your part 2 score before moving to the next challenge. Okay? And how many sentences did you speak confidently? Write your score down because at the end of this lesson, you will calculate your final level. Okay? Now, here is a part 3. Okay? Part 3 is going to be really interesting. All right? That is called friends and social conversations. These are the English sentences you will use while talking to your friends. We will begin with the beginner level, then move to the intermediate level, and finally the advanced level. Okay? So listen to me carefully, speak confidently, and don't forget to count your score after each level. So here is a beginner level and the sentence number 43. Listen to me carefully, okay? How it's going? How is it going? In real conversation, you can say, hey Rahul, how is it going? Now it's time to calculate your final English score. So your score 0 to 50 beginner English, 51 to 90 elementary English, 91 to 120 intermediate, and 121 to 140 upper intermediate, 141 to 150 excellent spoken English. Now tell me in the comments what was your final score. I would love to know how you did. So congratulations, you made it to the end of this lesson. That's something most English learners never do. Today you practiced real life English questions from beginner to intermediate and finally to the advanced English. Now it's time to see how well you did. Count your final score and tell me in the comments what was your score out of 126. I would love to know it. Just watch this lesson once, come back tomorrow, practice these sentences again and speak them aloud until it becomes natural. Because remember, English isn't learned by watching, it's learned by speaking. If you enjoyed this lesson, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, please turn on the notification bell and okay? And we will continue this series if you like this, okay? So this is Shalima signing off. Take care and speak English with confidence. All the best.